Making money on YouTube might not be your reason for starting a channel, but there are many opportunities for you to earn. Luckily, there are some creative ways to make money on YouTube. Your audience may unlock the earning potential of your YouTube channel, as is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers. However, the best way to make money is to create multiple revenue streams through side jobs or businesses. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make money from YouTube. So how do you make money from YouTube? Most likely, ads will be the first way you try to make money. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a must if you want to make money on YouTube without making videos or by making videos. You must agree to follow all of YouTube's rules about making money and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then, when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year, you can apply for monetization. Advertising is a common way for creators to make money without doing much work, but Google, which owns YouTube, gets to keep about 45% of ad revenue. In short, YouTubers should look for other ways to make money to keep doing what they love. There are a lot of things you can sell on your YouTube channel to make money. Besides making money, selling t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, and so on has other benefits. Merchandise helps you get more attention by bringing your online brand and personality into the real world. It also strengthens your relationship with your fans, who buy into what you're doing. As a YouTuber who already has a following, you'll have two things going for you right away that other store owners will envy. You'll have a source of content that always brings people to your store, and your audience's trust, which you've gained by giving them free content that fits your brand. Crowdfunding is a good way to make an idea happen when the only thing stopping it from happening is money. If your idea is interesting enough, you can ask your audience and the crowdfunding community to help you buy better equipment, hire actors, or pay for other production costs. Many crowdfunded creative projects offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited, so you might want to make a video explaining your project or giving people a taste of what it'll be like. You can also set up for fan funding streams to get money from your audience, which is similar to crowdfunding a project. As a creator, you add your voice to the internet and don't have to charge people to see it. So if you give your audience good content, they might be willing to keep supporting you. If you make a viral video that a lot of people like a funny clip of your dog, you can license it and get paid for it. If your videos go viral, TV news shows, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might contact you to ask for permission to use them. You can also put your videos in a marketplace so that the right people can find and buy them more easily. Brands are putting more and more money into influencer marketing and sponsorships. They spend their usually large advertising budgets on influencers who have already won the loyalty of their audiences. This gives you a huge chance to make a lot of money if you can make the right deals. If the brand is a good fit, you might be able to get a good deal based on your leverage, such as the type of audience you have, the quality of your content, and how unique and profitable your niche is. When working with brands to create sponsored content, it's important to be honest about it. Don't promote anything you don't like or believe in, and tell your audience why you're doing it. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting a product or service made by another company in exchange for a commission. You can become a brand's affiliate marketer and put product placements, endorsements, and other types of content on your YouTube channel, but you have to tell people who watch your videos about the partnerships. This works really well if you use your YouTube channel to review products. Since there is no risk for the brand, as they only pay when they make sales, getting started is usually easy. Popular affiliate programs include ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate network. You can also reach out to brands in your niche that have their own affiliate programs, which is not unusual in the e-commerce space. Money isn't usually what drives most people to make art. It's the idea of creating something that everyone can enjoy. In a world that is obsessed with content, however, this puts them in a great position to actually make money. You need to get creative and use your desire to be an entrepreneur to try out different ways to make money from your audience and your passion. We have come to the end of today's video. Do you know other ways to make money on YouTube? Let me know them in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of new videos immediately. Thanks for watching.